Look at this. Someone put a ring of rocks around me to make me look more beautiful. I'm nature. I'm already beautiful. Hey, look at the bright side, man. You could be that guy.
What's going on? Why didn't I make a sound when I fell? Where's everybody anyways? The silence is killing me. I can't even scream. So if a tree finds out that he can't make a sound when there's nobody around to hear it, who does he tell that to? Hey, have you ever just stopped and appreciated nature? Or what do you know? You're just a duck.
Elements.